Congratulations on your purchase of Sneeze Guard. Here's how to install it. Open the box carefully and remove the Sneeze Guard. The Sneeze Guard comes wrapped in plastic. Inside the cone, you will find the pieces you need for installation. Open the Sneeze Guard carefully, as the Sneeze Guard is under pressure and can snap open, causing injury if you're not careful. Inside, you will find the following items: the Sneeze Guard, a wooden base, rubber edging, a small rope, and 6 screws. The Sneeze Guard may need a few minutes to lay flat after shipping. To prepare your Sneeze Guard for installation, first stretch the rubber so it's long. Then remove the plastic cover from the Sneeze Guard. Now you can install the rubber around the edge of the Sneeze Guard. Be careful not to cut your hands on the edges, as it can be a bit sharp. Now you're ready to install your Sneeze Guard in your vehicle. Start by installing the base under your driver's seat headrest. Position the smaller part of the base while sitting in the driver's seat. Use the screws to mount the base to the headrest. You are now ready to attach the Sneeze Guard to the base. Sit in the back seat and slide the Sneeze Guard into place between the front passenger seat and the center console. Mount the Sneeze Guard by matching the holes to the base. Use the rest of the screws to tighten the Sneeze Guard to the base. There are multiple holes, so you can adjust the Sneeze Guard to fit your vehicle interior. Lastly, use the small rope to connect the Sneeze Guard to the hook of the passenger side sunshade. The Sneeze Guard does not need to seal completely to the roof of your vehicle to provide protection for you and your passengers. You can adjust the position of your Sneeze Guard by tightening the rope. You and your passengers are now ready to drive safely and securely with Sneeze Guard.